Hi, my name is Kendra and I am a media mentor at the Poudre River Public Libraries. In today's tech tip, I'm going to demonstrate how to edit text in a document. Let's get started. Today I am using Microsoft Word and I have opened a blank page. To begin working in a document, you'll want to look for this blinking line called the insertion point. The insertion point indicates where text will appear in a document as you begin typing. I'm going to enter some text here so we have something to work with. Now to move your insertion point throughout the document, you can move your cursor and click, or you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard. This way you can choose the exact location for text to appear in your document. Now if you would like to do some styling or moving of text, you will need to select it. To select text, I'm going to move my cursor either to the beginning or the end of the line I want to select. Then click and hold with the left mouse button and drag the cursor across the text. Now that I've gotten to the end of the line I want to select, I will let go of that mouse button, and you'll see the text remains highlighted in gray to indicate that it is selected. A styling menu will appear here in Word, but to get to these options I can also go up to the toolbar. Here I can see I can change the font color, the font size, or even the font style. And for these I get a live preview as I scroll over the options. Now if I would like to move this text, I can keep it highlighted and hover my cursor over the text. I'm going to press the right mouse button, and now this drop-down menu appears. In this menu I will choose the scissors option, Cut. That cuts the text from my document, and now I will move my insertion point down to this final line, and I'll press that right mouse button again to return to that menu. Now I have some paste options here. I can keep formatting, I can merge formatting with the rest of the paragraph, or keep text only, which in this case those come out looking the same, but I'm going to keep that formatting I did to the text. Great, now I have moved that text. But if instead I would just like to repeat the text, I can select it, click the right mouse button, and choose Copy. Now when I move my insertion point and go back into that menu and select Paste, my text is now repeated in the document. There are some keyboard shortcuts to help make those actions quick and easy. For copying, you can press Ctrl and C. For cut, you can press Ctrl and X. And for paste, the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl and P. These options are also available up on the toolbar under Clipboard. If you would like to style a whole group of text, a whole block, go ahead and select all the lines, and up here under the paragraph options, you can choose things like the alignment of your text and the line spacing. Additionally, you can make some lists. So I'll demonstrate how to do that here. I'm going to take this line and change it into a bulleted list. To do that, first I will move the insertion point to the beginning of each item I want in the list and press the Enter key to create a new line. Now that it's broken out into separate lines, I can select that text and press the bulleted list option, and immediately a list will appear. I can do the same thing with the numbered list, and for each there is a drop-down menu with some additional styling options. Thank you for watching this tech tip on how to edit text in a document from the Poudre Libraries. To watch more tech tips, check out the Poudre Libraries playlist on YouTube or visit our website at poudrelibraries.org.